up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Like, subscribe, and comment for more content. Today, I'm going to be showing you a bunch of videos that I found in my Snapchat memories from college. So basically, the backstory to this series of videos I'm going to show you. I posted on TikTok and it got a lot of views, so I posted it here just to see what the reviews are. But it was something that I did in college completely by accident. So there was, in our main cafeteria, there's a big staircase, and in the staircase is obviously a hand railing. And one day I sat on the hand railing with my backside on it, and I completely flipped over because I couldn't manage my balance. So instead, what I started doing every day was I would lay on the railing with my stomach and ride that way. And a lot of people at school saw it, so I wonder if they would find this and kind of think it's funny, but let's go.
Okay. Don't hate. It's a lifestyle. What do you have to say? Yeet. It's honestly so impressive.
I mean, just surprise me one day or something. Just surprise me.